I'm out here planting onions today. These are some that I started from seed, and they look pitiful compared to the ones that MHP Gardner just planted. But I'm kind of in a hurry to get it done because it's starting to rain again. I've had the hardest time getting the soil dry enough to get out and work it. And I wanted to tell you some of the best gardening advice that I ever got, and it has to do with wet soil. It said to never work a soil when it's wet, because, especially if you have a clay soil, because when you do that, what you're doing is squishing the air out of the soil. And they said to think about how they make adobe bricks. They take a wet piece of clay and they squish it and squish it and squish it until they get all the air out of it. And then they'll set that clay out in the sun to dry, and they end up with a brick. And they said that if you're working on wet soil or wet clay, then that's exactly what you're doing. You're squishing the air out. Then after the sun hits that ground, it'll dry up and be hard as concrete. And believe me, I have done that many times, and that's exactly what happened. So I thought that I would pass that tip on to you, and oops, I hope it helps.